fucking blue slide park.
Let's go, dude. Whoa. Dude, let's do it.
Man, but I'm still blowing thousands on it. No clue what I'm calling my album. Fans be at my band screaming, calling me Malcolm. Never knew the outcome be this much cash now. Bank account looking like a
now. Make him say, hey. Let it go. Blue slide park. Hey. That's slow as fuck. Standing slide.
It needs like greased up.
Let's fucking get it. Oh! Great line, dude.
What's going on, everybody? This is Paul, and this is the Blue Slide Slide.
Let's go! Paul just got some sale notifications. You just make a bot, bro?
5 things.
Dude, you just sold five drop ships? You drop shipping? Dude, it's working out?
I guess so.
It's working out, bro. You put them reps in. A lot of reps later.
Yeah, you think you're going nowhere until you finally, like, it's like this, it's like this.
Uh-huh.
It's like this, right? Oh, go down, and then it just goes up. And then you're like through the fucking roof.
Through their fucking roof is right. Those are cool buildings. Imagine living there, go. That's me pad.
My mom says if PA gets rid of property taxes.
Oh, 175. Okay. So I'm really interested in this. I love the location, love the buildings, and I really want to be able to make this work.
East Fairfield. Yeah, if you want to take a look, I just sent you the details for the property, but if you want, like, I could go ahead and send you some more pictures. And like that one right there, it's got two properties. It's got an in-law suite connected to a garage, and it also kind of pinpoint that. But I'll go ahead and I'll scrape what I can find. And
Let's fucking go, dude.
narrow down his location.
Okay.
He wants to be close to Hartville.